Hello, Robin Roscone here, sometimes known as Rob. Today I want to get some demos recorded of these drums and my playing styles, but also want to showcase this vintage Slingerland down here that I'm going to go into a few more details here in a minute. And it's a vintage Slingerland from the early 70s, which we've kept here thanks to my father-in-law. My son plays them, and if I didn't know any better, I'm pretty sure they're made out of maple, maybe mahogany, but I'm really impressed at how they've retained their sound quality, and let's go check them out. Okay, so this is the vintage Slingerland from the 70s. It's got the serial number on it and everything. I've put some pinstripe heads on here. This one's an oddball, but it also has, I'm limited to one cymbal right now, but it's also got a vintage Zildjian ride. You're going to be amazed with the bell sound from it. Also original hats, and trust me, they just resonate like crazy. I got some other things here, small snare here. The kick needs some TLC. Still got a dot head on there, and it also needs the back head and ring put back on. But I've also got the original snare, again, thanks to the father-in-law. Put that together, and that's it there. It's got a bunch of tape on it, but anyway, it's a great set, and you'll hear it here in a minute. So let's get to it. I've also got this new, Tama SLP snare. I'm loving it so far. It's walnut, and it sounds great. I'm still trying to feel it out. And also want to mention that these come with, this set has its original hardware as well. The kicker I have a little bit of a hard time with, but it is original, so that's even better.